Stay tuned for more.
Favorite DJs. The next one.
Felt the sneeze come on. Anyways, you should have apologized or bless me, whatever. Anyway, welcome to another edition of Kelly Steele's Hour. I don't know what hour it is, where you're at, or when you'll be watching this. So it's anyhow. Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing. Why did I do that? Haven't had a pair of these in a minute. It's the Reebok, which is the song that that Juvenile line is what made me want to get a pair of these. Really bad for some reason. And oh, we got the Reeboks. They look comfy. Check that out. It's front view, side. I don't know if I'll just walk around. These might be some new shoes. Both. I might have to both it. Of course, 2 came in. You know what we gotta do now. Oh, sneeze, go away. Smelfy. Sniff. Great. They remind me of dead moths. It's the smells of old, like, shoe foot. I don't know, it doesn't smell like a curry shoe foot. Oh, Reebok. Yeah, so between the Juvenile line and then that shoe show I watched, the guy I was talking about, Bach Boys. Shouts out to everybody on that show, but Brendan. Let's see what the next unboxing. Here. Okay. They wrote my government. Exactly, just like the cover. And it makes a hat. Anyway, what we have here is the 2.4 Simvio controller gamepad. This is supposed to contain 10,000 games. All of my old school arcade. If you know about retro gaming, let's have an open. We got this here. Instruction manual. Be an instruction manual. Anyway, and it comes with okay. So you say who needs 10,000 games, right? I do. There's some classics that I beat. And there's some classics that I haven't. Well, I haven't played them in a long time, but fast throwback story. The X-Men arcade, I have not played that. Well, I beat it in like 95 or 96, 95. It's this place called Celebrities. Does anybody remember that? Please tell me. It was the best ever. It had the arcade. It had a swimming pool. It had a bowling alley. It had a stuff. Anyway, so that's my whole unboxing for today. I hope you enjoy your whatever day it is. I hope you have a nice rest of the year. This has been Kelly Stills Come Back.